Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute mini DIY tissue box. So let's start. First, to make this, you will need a 21 centimeter by 21 centimeter square sheet. Fold it in half. Fold it in half like this. And then in half like this. Open it and then fold this corner to the center like this. Fold it like this on all the corners. This and then this one. And now fold this part to the center like this. Fold it the other way. Open it and then fold it like this. And on the other side. And now open it. Open this part. Fold it like this and then fold it in half here like this and then fold it upwards. Fold it in all the corners. This and up. Fold it and then half and then up. Fold it half and then up. Now turn it the other side and fold the corners to this box point here. Like this. Fold it on all the sides. After you have folded all the corners, when you turn it the other side, you should have something like this. Now, push this inwards like this, and then you should have a corner. So now fold it the same way. Push it in like that. On this side here and then last side right here like this. And now you should stick everything together like this. So take your glue, put some glue over here and over here, and then stick it like that. Hold it here from inside for some time. And then stick all the other corners. Some glue here and here, and then stick it like that. And then here, there, push it in. Oops. Now stick the last one, that. This. And now we have finished making the box. I will show you how to arrange the tissues to keep in the box. So take a few tissues, keep one on top of the other like this, and then fold the bottom one here like this. Now take another one and keep it on the folded one like this, and then fold this one. Now take another one, keep it here, and then fold this one. Should keep doing it until you have placed a few tissues. And then fold it. Another one there, fold it there, fold it, and now the last one, place it there. Now fold it like that. Don't fold the last one. So now take your box and keep it inside like this. And now I'm going to decorate it. So some glue here. Oops. Then stick these on top like that. I have used these to decorate my box. You can use any other decorative items. It was really easy making this, wasn't it? I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.